Today I'll be sharing with you how to make a perfume oil, and I made this perfume oil at home using essential oils and carrier oils that I have, and it smells so nice. Yeah, in fact my friends finished it and I'm still going to make another one because I'm owing some people like this because people really liked it. Yeah, so firstly, welcome back to my YouTube channel here at Medix Formulation School. I share different formulation tips, I share recipes, and I share my experience on my formulation journey. So today I'll be teaching how to make a perfume oil. Yeah, and to make a perfume oil is actually very easy. Now when you want to make a perfume oil, there are different things you need to understand, and if you still want me to do a more detailed video about this particular aspect that I'm saying, then I can do that. So when you want to make a perfume oil, there are two main ingredients in your perfume oil blend. That is your essential oil and your carrier oil. Now you cannot make a perfume oil using essential oils, though yeah, essential oils smell nice because essential oil can easily irritate the skin, right? So if you use only essential, it's going to be too strong for your skin. So you are still going to add carrier oil. And when you want to make your essential oil, you'll be using 80% of carrier oil to 20% of essential oil. Then when we now get to the essential oil, right, there are three different types of essential oil that will be included in your perfume oil, or should I say notes. One is called top notes, then another one is middle notes, and then another one is base notes. Yeah, so the top notes in your perfume oil is the one that people will first smell, but it's just when they smell the perfume oil, that's the one that people will first smell, that will just linger for a while, but then before it goes to the gives way to the middle note. So it's the middle note that would last for a longer time, that okay, in the next few hours you're smelling the perfume oil. Is that middle note that you're actually smelling, right? So I said there's more to this. Like if you still want to do a more explanatory video, I can do that. So when you want to make your perfume oil, so now the top notes should be between 20 to 40%, right? Then the middle notes, these are the ones we are really focusing on, should be between 40 to 80%. And then your base notes can be between 10 to 25%. So in this particular perfume oil blend, if you want to get the full formula, just check my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box. So in this particular formula, I used 30% of top notes, 50% of middle notes, and 20% of base notes. Yeah, so yeah, there are a lot of nice essential oils, but I didn't want to start buying so many because I wanted to make perfume oil. So I used mostly the essential oils that I have at home or that are easily accessible, because I'm a formulator. I formulate hair products. Yeah, and by the way, check my channel. I have a lot of videos on hair products. I also train. So I used mostly. So when you check the formula and you see the essentials there, you can share other ones. So it's not compulsory that you use these ones. They are very nice essential oils out there. So but I just wanted to use something that I have in my pantry, and then so I just grouped it according to the top notes, middle notes, and base notes. That's what actually inspired the number of drops that I added there. Then for the carrier oil, I use rosehip oil. Rosehip oil smells very nice. It's a carrier oil that actually has a very nice scent. Yeah, I just like it, and I love rosehip oil, so it also has a nice scent. So you can use other types of carrier oils that you want. So if you check the formula, you see that I used sweet orange essential oil, rosemary essential oil, peppermint essential oil, ylang ylang essential oil, lavender essential oil, tea tree essential oil. You see, these are very popular essential oils, common ones. And I use rosehip carrier oil. So just check the formula to see the number of drops that I used, and it's actually very easy. Yeah, so I just mixed everything. I added the essential oils first, then added the carrier oil and mixed it, and it smells so nice. So before you use it, make sure you do a patch test on your hand to be sure that there are no reactions in some hours. Then you can now use it on your skin, and I really love it. So you should really try it, and also join my Telegram channel for different recipes, different formulas. Join my community, and there are scholarship opportunities too, free classes and all that. So thank you so much for sticking with me. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, I don't know why you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Your support means a lot to me, and it encourages me to keep putting out more videos and sharing more of my experiments and recipes with you all. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it. If I subscribe. See you in my next video.